We're going to be setting up our Ring Chime to go along with our Ring doorbell, video doorbell. It's very simple to do. Just take this out and plug it right in, and the lights will flash. You won't be able to see that. You have to wait while the lights are flashing. Let's just see. And we have to wait for it to start flashing slow. And I've got the app here, the Ring app. Now it's flashing slow. So we're gonna set up a new chime. We've already done that. We've plugged it into the wall outlet. This one's actually in our basement. I'm just gonna put it downstairs. And then it's gonna confirm our address. Now we're gonna search for our Wi-Fi. So we have to go, oops, just a second here. Go back there, search for our Wi-Fi. So we have to go out and go into settings and Wi-Fi. And we found our Wi-Fi. And then you look for the chime. There's the chime. And now it's connected successfully. Tap here to continue. And now it's scanning, and then we're gonna take I'm gonna put my password in. And now it's saying your chime is now connecting to our Wi-Fi, and we're just waiting. This can take some time, and it did it really quick actually. Congratulations, you set up a successful. Continue. And we're gonna put the ring alerts on and the motion alerts. And we're done, and we're ready to go. So if I go to my doorbell in the front and push the button, it will ring out this chime. So I'm gonna push my chime on my front door, and let's hear it. It's gonna ring here, but it will also ring throughout the house.